Hey, what's up guys, Amlan here. Today in this video I'm going to show you some of the tips and tricks with Vivo V9 phone. As you can see, this is a Vivo V9 that I'm holding right here, and just before few days I did an unboxing for this phone on my channel, and also I made an impression video. So if you haven't checked those videos out, I'll leave a card right here, so go ahead and check out my channel. And also some of you commented about how's the battery life for this Vivo V9 phone, so I thought why not let's make a separate video and let's talk about some of the features for this Vivo V9 phone. So basically in this video I'm going to talk about some of the features. This Vivo V9 basically runs on a custom skin which is known as FunTouch operating system, which is trying to mimic this kind of iPhone look. So in this video we're going to talk about some of the features which I found useful and which you should be using if you having a Vivo V9 phone. So with that being said, let's give this video a like, and also till now if you're not subscribed to our channel, definitely don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So coming to the first thing, as I was saying initially, that Vivo V9 basically runs on a heavy custom skin which is known as FunTouch operating system. And also if we drop down here, as you can see, this is basically a notification panel. Here you get all your notification which basically comes from different application like you're able to see right now. But the sad thing is that from notification panel we are not having an option to go to settings. In order to go to settings, you need to pull your control panel up like this, and from here you can go to your settings, as you can see right here. So now let's talk about the quick toggles that we get in the control panel. So as you can see, there are many quick toggles that are lying around here. And one more thing, if we just click on these three dots, we would be able to customize these quick toggles as well. So as you can see, there are different quick toggles. So whichever you would like to be on the control panel, you just need to drag and drop, and then once done, click on this done button. So that's done. Now let's talk about some of the quick toggles that I found are very useful for this Vivo V9 phone. So let me just focus. As you can see, there is an option for S capture. So let's talk about this S capture. This I found is very useful and handy feature. So with some of the stock Android devices, we don't get to see this kind of features. As you can see, once you click on this S screen option, this would be a circular pop-up that you would be getting on the screen, which includes your record screen, a rectangular kind of screenshot, funny screenshot, and long screenshot. So basically this is a tool with the help of which you can get screenshots, and also if you want to record your phone screen, you can do that. You don't need to download some third-party application in order to record your screen or take long screenshots. So let me just show you how it works. So basically you click on this long screenshot option and you just follow the instruction, and you would be able to take that kind of a screenshot. And also now let me just go to the settings and show you what kind of settings we get with this phone. So as I told you that this is a very different kind of theme that Vivo is using on this phone, and also this is kind of a similar like what iOS 11 is having. So now let's talk about some of the settings that I like very much on this device. So as you can see, this Vivo V9 is having separately an OTG option. So basically this supports USB OTG. So by default it is off. So now if you're connecting any OTG device, you have to turn it on, and then again it will detect your USB device. Now let's talk about the other things that includes your game mode and motorbike mode. So basically there's a gaming features. Game mode is basically it will just boost your performance a little bit if you're like trying to game on this smartphone. And let me just show you the other setting, which includes your fingerprint, face, and password. So here's the main thing. So basically within this settings you get an option for fingerprint, face, and screen lock. So if you want, you can get that face unlock kind of a feature. So in order to get this feature, you need to put your password and then need to scan your face. And I have personally tested this face unlock features, and also after I got the update with the Vivo V9, this face feature works pretty well, I would say. So you just need to put your phone in front of your face, and that just unlocks the screen. So that's basically that. And also you have some kind of a gestures. I'll show you just in a moment. So if you go to this system navigation, you would be able to find this kind of option which says navigation keys and navigation gestures. So right now, as you can see, that the screen is having three kind of navigation trees, that is back, home, and the key for accessing the multitasking tray. And also if you want, you can click on this navigation gestures, which will disappear this kind of keys, and which will get you the full screen, and you kind of have to access all the things through the gesture, which I don't want to do basically, but that option is there. You just need to go to the system navigation and just need to click on that. So other than that, I'll show you, if you go to the more settings, you would be able to find all the settings that you have. And also the good thing that it has a support for DLNA, which is off right now, but if you want, you have that support with you. So if I go to about phone, the good thing is that it runs on the FunTouch operating system, but it is having the latest Android Oreo, which is this, if you're able to see. But I'm not sure about the future upgrades, how the future upgrades would be, considering that this runs on a heavy skin. And also this Vivo V9 is having 4GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. So that's basically it. And also apart from that, there are different options which I wanted to show you, and that includes your smart motion. So basically smart motions are the ear operation kind of thing that you get. And also if you want, you can enable the smart call option, tilt to zoom pictures, which these are all gimmick features basically, which you just enable. If you just tilt your phone, you would be able to zoom basically any pictures. And smart remind, smart low volume, which is basically enable. Smart low volume is nothing but just, let's say if you're getting a call and if you just look at the screen, the volume will be reduced automatically. So that is smart low volume. So I guess Vivo is including all kind of smart features, some of the features which are useful with this Vivo V9 phone basically. And also now let's talk about the battery, which you guys were asking too much. So let me find the battery option and I'll show you regarding the battery. So as you can see, this is the battery option that we get, and right now it's selected on normal. So I am really saddened to see that there's no battery graph that is provided by FunTouch operating system. So Vivo is not kind of disclosing what is the battery backup so that we can get to see on the phone itself. So they're not showing us what is the how the battery is going on and what kind of battery life we get. But normally I'll tell you, within like it gives you battery backup mostly well. If you charge your phone in the morning, it gives you full 1 working day of battery life. But that should not be the case. Vivo should have given an option to show the graph, which normally we get to see in all of the stock Android phone, but that's not the case with Vivo. So I'm really saddened to see that the Vivo is not providing us the option to see the battery graph, in which we would be able to screen on time and all, but those options are not present. So that's regarding the battery life. And also those are kind of some of the useful features that I found on Vivo V9. So basically that's it for this video. I just want to show you guys regarding how's the phone going and what are the options that you get with Vivo V9, and what are the useful options like S capture and all smart motions and how to use that. So I guess you like the video as well. If you like the video, then don't forget to click the like button, and also till now if you're not subscribed to our channel, definitely subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to press the bell notification. Then again, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye guys.